Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, today may end up being the nicest day of the rest of the week. Unfortunately, some changes ahead as we take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Dry, obviously, with some sunshine, and we'll stay dry at least the first half of the night. I do expect some rain showers to arrive, but not until after midnight. So a dry evening, no weather problems, unsettled work week ahead. I'll show you that in detail in just a second. Regardless of all that, hope for the weekend as far as things drying out and getting temperatures perhaps more respectable. Now, the threat tracker now through Wednesday in the low category. Even though we do have some wet weather on the way, it's more of a kind of dreary nuisance rather than anything severe, but certainly wet travel anticipated, as we'll show you some of the precipitation headed our way. Real neat time lapse over at Echo Lake in Pasco. Watch, the ice is so thin as the wind blows, these sheets of ice kind of drift in whichever direction the wind is blowing. Hard to believe how thick this ice was not too long ago, but a lot of melting and a temperature now at 53. Live pictures from Narragansett Town Beach with the surf and the blue skies. Very cool along the coastline, and the reason, it's pretty simple. Right there, the water this time of year. In fact, below average. I mean, it's exceptionally cold, the ocean coming off a very cold winter, so water temperatures are only in the upper 30s. So when you get a wind off the water near the coastline this time of year, it's pretty chilly. Inland spots, places like Providence, milder at 50, on a south-southeast breeze at 13, humidity at 61%. Newport, much cooler. It's definitely jacket weather at 44. Oh, just dropped now to 43 with that wind off the water. Here's the wider view. Tracking this front, this red line is a warm front, very simple. To the north of it, it's cool. To the south, very mild. You can see that huge temperature range. I mean, look how close 72 degrees is right now. Philadelphia, not getting in here. See the chill to our north? That's the air mass that's headed our way. It's going to drop to the south overnight through tomorrow, and that's why daytime highs over the next several days only in the 40s. Here's the other problem. We talked about, the water temperature being so chilly. Next several days, the wind will be coming in from this direction. This is a lousy wind direction to have during the early spring, coming in off the cold Atlantic waters, and another reason why temperatures will be quite cool. Take a look at Futurecast, put this into motion, and starting off at 7 o'clock this evening, initially dry. Tomorrow morning, some scattered showers, low clouds, some drizzle as well. And then notice as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, the coverage of the green or the rain really starts to expand. So bottom line, cool and wet weather on tap. Showers tomorrow morning in the 40s and staying in the 40s all day long with showers. We'll call it chilly considering the normal high temperature for this time of year is about 55. I mean, look at this stretch of kind of gloomy and wet. Wednesday, only 44 degrees. Unseasonably cool, that raw wind off the ocean, low clouds and drizzle. Some showers both Thursday and Friday. Here's the weekend hope. Well, for one, it's drier both Saturday and Sunday, and temperatures more respectable, topping out in the mid to upper 50s. So once we get socked in starting tomorrow, it's going to be tough to get any warm sunshine around here until perhaps the weekend, which in itself is good news, I guess. WPRI.com to get your 7-day Futurecast. Be nice to get at least a couple of nice days during the work week, but today will end up being the nicest day.
As long as we can get rid of some more snow, that's all that counts.
That ice is melting fast.
Yeah. All right, thank you, Tony. We have more